Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to add another Google account to your school Chromebook. So first let me do this. Reload. Alright, so normally if you try to add a Google account to your Chromebook, it'll say that the feature is blocked or something like that. But pretty much the easiest way to get past that is click on this little lock right here, go to cookies, and then click on google.com, and then click block, and then click done. It'll ask you to reload the page, so just do that, and then you'll be able to go add another Google account like this. Oh, whoops. And there, now you have 2 Google accounts. Hope this helped, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.